Good morning, traders. This is Friday, January the 16th, 2014. My first trade of the day is going to be ticker symbol DEPO. And I started scaling into the position 250 shares at a time, giving me a total of a 500 share position. And you can see the dotted red line on the chart. That's my average buy price of $18.14. And I have exited the first half of my position at 18.50. You can see we tested 18.50 and pulled back a little bit, and I was tempted to exit the second half of my position when it dropped under 18.40. But looking at the chart, I realized that it was still holding above the VWAP and the 9-period moving average. And I believe as long as we can hold those two areas, that we should be able to blow through this 18.50 level with no problem. And I'm forcing myself to hold on to this trade because I'm looking at the history of trades for myself, and I'm realizing that I'm only taking half of the potential profit that I should be, and it's very frustrating when you realize that you left so much money on the table. And I did start this recording a little bit late. My apologies for that. I forgot to hit the record button. But you are catching the second half of this trade, and we are getting through the 1850 level. Now, if we can hit 1875, that's going to be my profit target, and I will be exiting the second half of my trade. And we are testing 1860 right now. This will be my only trade for the day today because I haven't had any red days in over 2 weeks now, and we are going into a 3-day weekend, and I don't want to go into the 3-day weekend with a red day. I don't want it to start today, as I am relatively nicely green for the day, and I want to keep it that way. And the markets have been very inconsistent this week. Like the SPY and the Qs, they gap up and they close down, then they gap down and they close up. So it's been very inconsistent, very hard and difficult for traders to extract profits from the market this week. So I'm considering any profit that I can take from the market this week to be very fortunate. And we are holding up between this 1850 and 1860 level. And if we can get through this 1860, we should be able to get to 1875-ish with no issue. Now, if it does drop below 1850, depending on how it does and if it does, I will exit the trade. If it just wicks down really quick and then wicks back up, I'll hold on to the trade. But if the sellers start pushing it down and then it holds below, okay, we are above 1860 now. But if it holds, okay, 1865, 68, almost there. If we can get 75, I'm going to get it out. Okay, there's sellers right here at 73. I'm going to go ahead and exit the trade now. And I have exited the trade. As you can see, we did pull back a little bit. So, as you can see, my average buy price was $18.14. Average sell price was $18.59. Give me a realized profit of $225 on the day. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.